Hi guys, welcome to the channel. We are starting the tutorials on our channel. So after that tutorials we also begin with the projects. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and also get notifications so that you can never miss the updates. In this video we ensure the software and the basic information of the Arduino. Many people will be not knowing what Arduino is. We call it as microcontroller, right? And there is also another question what microcontroller is. Microcontroller is a device that is used to perform a specific function. Now I'll give you a simple example for a specific function. Just imagine you need to decorate the room with some LEDs and you want the LEDs to blink repeatedly. So in that case it's very simple, you can just write few lines of program, can upload that program to this microcontroller. And it starts executing that link repeatedly and you can easily make your work done. Why many people use audio as a microcontroller for their projects? Coming to the first point. It uses a simple language which is very easy to understand. The next point is it has a lot of open source libraries which makes your code simple. And the other advantage is comparatively cheaper than other microcontrollers. Hope you have understood some basic information about the microcontroller. Now moving on to the board. There are many Arduino boards available. As you can see, I have two types here. This is Arduino Uno, or UNO, can call it anyway, and this is the Arduino Nano. Arduino Uno has many pins compared to this one. And if you're planning to purchase, just go for this one, guys. And we also write the link in the description box. In Arduino Uno, it has 13 digital pins and 6 analog pins. There's a reset button. This is for uploading your programs, and it also acts as a power supply. And this for giving us some power supply. You can use 9 volts battery and connector for giving power supply in this port. To upload a program for this board, there is a software. And now you'll see how you can download and install that software in your system. For downloading the installer, you can find the link in the description box and you can directly click on that. Or otherwise you can easily get it in the Google also. And after downloading, just double click on that to install. After opening the software, it looks in this way. That is for today, guys. From the next video onwards we'll be starting a programming with the hardware. And if you can't buy the components, or if you don't have, there's also a solution for that. You can use online simulators. We'll be also making the separate video on that. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.